Hello, good day, ELTAKISTA. Ayan, for today's episode, we will talk about exponent. So first, let us define what is exponent. So when we say exponent, it refers to the number of times a number is multiplied by itself. Okay, if we have a raised to n serve as the exponent, while a rather is the base. So meaning to say, kapag merong tayong 3/2, ibig sabihin yan, meron daw exponent na 2 and merong base na 3. And by the definition, it state that there are 3 na imumultiply. So we have 3 times 3. So, that is 9. If we have naman 2 raised to 3, ibig sabihin naman, merong 3 na imumultiply natin. Okay? We have 2 times 2 times 2. So, that is 2 times 2, 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, let's have the properties and rule of exponent. So we have a lot of rules and properties, but I will just talk about the basic one. Rules and properties of exponent. Let's have number 1. The basic one, which is 0 exponent. So in 0 exponent rule, if a raised to 0, so that is equals to 1. So what does it mean? So any number raised to 0 is automatic equal to 1. Example, 4 raised to 0. So this one is also equal to 1 na po siya. Another example, if you have 2x plus 4, open and close parenthesis 0, ilan po siya? So that is 1. So tatandaan nyo, in 0 exponent rule, any number raised to 0 is 1. Then let's proceed to number 2. Kung may question, comment below. Ayan, let's proceed to number 2. Let's have power rule. So here naman, tinatawag naman tong power to power. Kasi po, we will just focus on its power. Ayan. Example, a raised to m multiplied by another exponent. So, equals a raised to m times n. So, ibig sabihin po nito, pag sa power rule po, power to power. So, imumultiply mo lang din yung exponent to exponent. Example, 2 raised to 4, open and close parenthesis, ayan, raised to 2. So, this one will become 2 raised to 4 multiplied to 2. So, we will have now 2. 4 times 2 is 8. So, meaning to say, merong 8 na imumultiply. So, 2 times 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 2 hanggang 8. So, this one will become, ilan po? 256. Clear? So, let's proceed to the next one. The negative exponent rule. Number 3, negative exponent rule. So here naman po, ayan, if we have a raised to negative n, so para maging siyang positive, 'di ba? Given na a raised to the negative 1, meron siyang denominator na 1. So parang kukunin lang natin yung inverse niya or yung kabaliktaran niya para maging siyang positive. So it will become 1 over a raised to n. So anong napansin sa n? Naging na siyang positive. Then nagkaroon siya ng numerator. Kumbaga nagbaliktaran lang sila. Okay? Example, 2 raised to the negative 1. So, para maging positive yung negative 1, ayan, we will get the inverse. So, it will become 1 over 2 raised to positive 1. So, pag 1 naman yung exponent, kahit hindi na natin ilagay. So, di ba, automatic na siya na may 1 na exponent. Another example, if we have, ayan, 24 raised to negative, sige, alisin muna natin yung 2. 4 raised to negative 2, para small, ano lang siya, small number. 4 raised to negative 2, it will become 1 over 4 raised to positive 2. Then, pag ganyan po, pwede naman natin yung isolve. So, it will become 1 over 4 times 4 is 16. Kapag naman po yung given natin is, 1 over 4 raised to negative 2. So, ito naman yung negative. So, para maging positive siya, kunin din natin ang inverse. So, it will become 4 raised to positive 2 or 16. Clear? Okay, let's proceed to product rule. Number 4, product rule. Magkaiba po to dun sa power rule na power to power. Ito naman po, sa product rule, if we have a raised to m multiply by a raised to n, it will become a m plus n. So, ano yung napansin? In product rule, kapag magkaparehas daw yung base, we will add their exponent. Okay? Example, if we have 2 raised to 3, then multiply to 2 raised to 2. Okay? So, parehas yung base nila na 2. Okay? So, what will happen? Ayan, 2. Copy the base kasi parehas lang. Then, add their exponent. So, 3 plus 2. Now, we have 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Now, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So, it will become, ilan po? It will become 32. Okay, that's correct. Let's have another example para mas maintindihan nyo yung product rule. If we have naman 3 raised to 2, often in close parenthesis multiply to 3 raised to 4. So, copy the base, so that is 3. Then, other exponent 2 plus 4. It will become 3 raised to 6. Now, 3 times 3, 6 na 3 daw po minultiply, ilan? Hindi po yan 3 times 6 ha. So, it will become 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Ganyan po yan. Ang ibig sabihin ng exponent, hindi po yan 3 times 6. Kasi sometimes we tend to, parang gusto natin makasolve ng mabilisan, nagkakamali tayo. So, yan. So, it will become 729. Okay, let's have the last rule or the basic rule and properties of exponent, which is quotient rule. So, kung kanina, ina-add natin yung exponent, in quotient rule naman, we will subtract. Okay? a raised to m all over a raised to n. So, it will become a m minus n. So, take note po ha, this is just true to base na magkaparehas. Kasi you cannot combine base na hindi po magkaparehas. Okay? So, example, 2 raised to 3 all over 2 raised to 2. So, copy the base na magkaparehas, which is 2. Then, subtract 3 minus 2. So, it will become 2 raised to 1 or 2. Next, let's have another example. 4 raised to 6 divided by 4 raised to 3. So, ano yung base nilang parehas? That's correct. So, number 4. Then, 4, ano yung exponent ni numerator? We have 6. Then, we will subtract 2, the numerator of, we will subtract 2, the exponent of the denominator, which is 3. So, 4. So, 6 minus 3 is 3. So, 4 times 4 times 4. So, it will become, ilan po? 4 times 4, 16. So, 16 times 4. We will have 64. That's correct. Any question, you can comment below kung may question kayo regarding the rule and properties of exponent. So in my next vlog, we will talk about how to solve operation using the different kind of steps. Ayan, bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Happy learnings!